Geography quiz. A fun way to learn about the world. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic: geography quizzes. These are not only fun but also a great way to learn about different places around the world. Let's dive in and see how geography quizzes can boost your English and general knowledge. A geography quiz is a type of game or test that challenges your knowledge about the Earth's surface. This includes questions about countries, cities, oceans, rivers, and other geographical features. It's a fun and interactive way to learn about the world while practicing English. Geography quizzes can significantly enhance your English learning journey. They improve vocabulary. Learn new words related to geography, like peninsula, archipelago, or delta. Enhance reading comprehension. Reading and understanding the questions helps in better comprehension. Practice pronunciation. Saying the names of different geographical locations helps in practicing difficult sounds. Boost general knowledge. You'll learn interesting facts about different places. 1. Multiple choice questions. You choose the correct answer from a list. 2. Fill in the blanks. Test your memory by filling in missing words. 3. True or false. Decide if a statement about geography is true or false. 4. Map-based questions. Identify places on a map. Study world maps. Familiarize yourself with the world map and different continents. Learn country capitals. Start by memorizing the capitals of various countries. Read geography books. Reading helps in expanding your knowledge and vocabulary. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the better you get. I hope you enjoyed learning about geography quizzes and are excited to try one yourself. Remember, it's not just about memorizing facts but also about having fun and improving your English skills. Happy quizzing, and see you in our next video.